everybody, welcome back to 80s Dreamwave. I thought I'd do something different. I thought I'd do a history on a puzzle piece, which is, of course, called the Rubik's Cube. It was something I remembered as a child playing with and still enjoy. So this is, of course, the desktop of my channel and main picture. The Rubik's Cube is a three-dimensional puzzle invented by the Hungarian sculpturist and professor of Rubik. Originally, when he invented it, he called it the Magic Puzzle Cube. He licensed the cube to Ideal Toy Company in 1980. Rubik's Cube was released in May of 1980. At the end of 1980, it won the German Game Award Special Award. In September of 1981, news scientists noticed that the cube was capturing the attention of people of the age of 7 to 70 years old all over the world. It is established that in the period from 1980 to 1983, around 200 million Rubik's Cubes was sold worldwide. In 1982, the World's Fair, which was held in Knoxville, Tennessee, the Hungarian government gifted a display of the Rubik's Cube. It is said to be 10 feet tall, weighs 1,200 pounds. The cube currently resides inside the Knoxville Coliseum Center. The Rubik's Cube also got a TV show called The Rubik's Amazing Cube. It came out in 1983 of fall on ABC Saturday morning. The Rubik's Cube had many nicknames in the years past: the Magic Cube, the Speed Cube, Rubik's, and it found to start challenges to see who could solve it in minutes. But as time went on, the cube became more in other directions, virtual. In the early 2000s, the cube got software application, and it became possible for gamers to enjoy the puzzle piece that is still popular today. In 2020, the Rubik's Cube in many directions has been around 40 years. But for me, it was a staple of the 1980s. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe. If you like, give me a like. Bye.